This is chapter 14, set B, exercise 1. I'm going to do a similar exercise, mostly so I can circle less things at a time. But let's say that 20 kids went to a party in total. Okay, and we know that 5 ate ice cream and 7 ate cookies. And so the book wants us to know something similar to this. Did 12 eat ice cream or cookies? Because it seems logical. We said 5 ate ice cream, 7 ate cookies. Does that mean that 12 ate ice cream or cookies? Well, the problem is there's a few different scenarios that could have happened here. You could have had like these 5 students that ate ice cream. And then you could have had a different 7 that ate cookies. And in that case, yes, there were 12 kids that took one of those desserts. But what if you had a different scenario? What if you had like these 5 ate ice cream, but then a couple kids ate both? So then it was these 7 ate cookies. Now, how many kids are there that had ice cream or cookies? Now, if you look at it, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's only 10 that ate ice cream or cookies, because 2 of those were double counted. What this book is really trying to do in this specific section is try and remind you that if there's people in both groups, you don't want to double count them when you find the probability or. And in our class, we keep probability simple enough that we never even learn what to do with that double counting. So in our class, we only add up the probabilities if we're sure they won't be double counted. Now, that was just one scenario. We really don't know which kids ate which cookies. We would have to be told more. I thought maybe there were 2 that overlapped, but maybe it was like these 5 ate ice cream, and maybe the same 5 ate cookies and 2 more. Then in that case, there's only the 7 that ate ice cream or cookies. So there were a lot of different scenarios, and what the book wants to point out again is that you don't know who was double counted. In this case, 5 of them were double counted, so there was only 7 total that ate ice cream or cookies. So in exercise 1, it's the same thing, but with 50 students, and they're saying if 12 had cookies and 17 had ice cream, did that mean there were 29 that had ice cream or cookies? No, because there could have been some that counted, and they tried to give you in the solutions manual 2 different possible options. There are, of course, lots of different ways that those kids could have been split up.